Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall the EA app on your Windows computer or PC. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Programs, Best Match, you'll come back with Add or Remove Programs. Go ahead and open that up. In the Search Apps field, type in EA. Best match, come back with EA app. Go ahead and select the three-dotted icon next to it and select uninstall. Select the uninstall button. Select yes. Uninstall. And it says it has been successfully uninstalled. Close out of here, and I would suggest restarting your computer at this time. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.